Guys, I just wanted to show you guys what hobbies I have other than playing video games and like making lyric videos. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing a little bike check on my Eastern Grim Reaper, but that's a racing bike, so that's why it has the big sprocket right there. Okay, I guess I'll start in the front. Right here I have Diamondback 8.25 rise, I think, yeah, and 29 wide, I think. I don't know really the specs on them, but I have Odyssey brake lever, some random brake cable. I do have a gyro in there. I have a fit stem. My frame is obviously the Eastern Grim Reaper, and I have Diamondback forks. These two came in a combo. I got my little Dan's Comp sticker. I got Demolition missile grips. Both sides. They're basically the same thing as ODIs. Like, if you look at them, but there's a little missile on them. I have Demolition bar ends. My peg, I think that's a fit peg, and the front hub is a G Sport. I don't have a hub guard, but I'm getting one. Kenda tires, I don't know which ones they are, but yeah, the sprocket and the cranks are both Diamondback. The sprocket is 36 teeth, and that's my racing. This is my racing bike, so that's why I have the big sprocket and shit. But okay, so my pedals are Odyssey, not Odyssey. Yeah, actually, I think they are Odyssey. Twisted PCs, yeah, okay. My chain is a Shadow Conspiracy half-track chain. My seat, that is a stolen Thermalite seat. Some Odyssey seat clamp, stolen Thermalite seat post. Tektro V-brake. Another fit peg. And my back hub is a Eastern Classic V2, I think, but I have another Kenda tire, and I don't really think I missed anything, but yeah, that's pretty much it. That's my bike check, so please hit the annotation at the bottom, the little link. It really helps me out. I need to get new bars because they're bent, and I don't currently have the money to get new bars, so if you would just please hit that little link thing to pop up at the bottom of the screen, and yeah, I'll try to make another one of these when I get my new bike or new parts. I have a little Diamondback Joker over there. That's actually kind of a custom Joker, but I don't really use that. It's just like my main bike. I'll be posting how-tos on bar spins, 360s, 180s, anything when my actual bike gets out of the shop. But yeah, you might see how-tos on this bike for a little while. So go check those out, and please hit that link and hit the subscribe button. It takes less than a second, so bye.